In the heart of ancient Greece, a philosopher named Plato penned a tale of a lost civilization, Atlantis. But was it merely a story or a prophetic warning? Could Plato have foreseen the perils of unchecked ambition that haunt us today? We journey back to the dawn of Western philosophy, where the story of Atlantis first emerged. Plato described a mighty empire, technologically advanced but ultimately doomed by its arrogance. Is this ancient tale a mirror reflecting our own potential downfall? Plato's Atlantis was not just a story of lost lands, but a critique of imperial overreach. The Atlanteans, once noble, grew obsessed with power and conquest, leading to their downfall. This narrative echoes eerily in today's global stage. Many scholars believe Atlantis was more allegory than geography. Plato used this narrative to warn of the risks of hubris, where ambition blinds reason, leading to ruin. What lessons can modern societies learn from this ancient cautionary tale? Could Plato's Atlantis be a metaphor for the cyclical nature of civilizations? Rise and fall, a pattern seen throughout history, from the Roman Empire to the modern superpowers. The parallels are strikingly clear and hauntingly relevant. Atlantis was described with technological marvels and military might, reflecting Athenian society's own advancements. Plato warned against the seductive nature of power, a lesson as pertinent today as it was in his time. In Plato's narrative, the gods punished Atlantis for its pride by submerging it beneath the waves. Is this divine retribution or a metaphor for inevitable consequences of overreach? The imagery resonates with today's environmental anxieties. Modern theories suggest Atlantis might symbolize the dangers of ignoring ecological balance. As we face climate change, are we repeating the mistakes of the Atlanteans, ignoring nature's warnings in our pursuit of dominance? Plato's allegory of Atlantis may serve as a timeless reminder of the human condition. Our greatest strengths can also be our greatest weaknesses. Hubris, like a double-edged sword, cuts deepest when unchecked. The tale of Atlantis is not just a story of past hubris, but a reflection of the perpetual struggle between humanity's ambition and nature's limits. How we interpret this story might shape our future actions. As we strive for technological and military advancements, we must remember the cautionary tale of Atlantis. Are we on the brink of creating our own legendary downfall, or can we learn from our ancient predecessors? Plato's work is rich with allegory, using Atlantis as a narrative device to explore themes of morality, governance, and human nature. His insights into human behavior remain startlingly relevant in today's complex world. Surprisingly, Plato's Atlantis has inspired countless theories, from real locations like Santorini to speculative connections with lost continents. Each theory, while fascinating, brings us back to the core message: beware the dangers of hubris. Some suggest that Atlantis was a political parable, a commentary on the Peloponnesian War's impact on Greek society. Like a mirror held up to Athens, it reflected the destructive potential of unchecked ambition. The collapse of Atlantis whispers a universal truth: empires rise, but all are vulnerable to their own excesses. This pattern is evident in the annals of history, reminding us to heed the lessons of the past. Plato's allegory extends beyond politics, touching on the human psyche. Atlantis reflects our inherent desires for greatness, yet warns of the perils when those desires overshadow wisdom and humility. In today's rapidly changing world, Plato's Atlantis serves as both a caution and a challenge. Will we succumb to the same fate, or can we forge a new path, balancing ambition with sustainability? Plato may not have predicted specific modern catastrophes, but his allegory speaks to universal themes of power, morality, and consequence. Atlantis challenges us to reflect on our current path and its potential outcomes. Could the story of Atlantis be a timeless parable, urging us to balance progress with humility? As we stand at the crossroads of technological advancement, the lessons of Atlantis resonate more than ever. The tale of Atlantis, though ancient, poses a modern question. How do we navigate the tension between innovation and sustainability? In the echoes of Plato's words, we find both caution and inspiration. Atlantis serves as a metaphorical lighthouse, illuminating the dangers of losing sight of ethical governance and the common good in pursuit of power. This message carries profound significance in our globalized era. Plato's narrative embodies the eternal struggle of human nature itself, the quest for power, and the inevitable consequences of its abuse. This allegory continues to resonate, challenging us to choose a wiser path. As we delve deeper into the story of Atlantis, we find a mirror reflecting our own society's triumphs and tribulations. Plato's allegory remains a powerful tool for introspection and societal critique. Atlantis, whether real or imagined, serves as a testament to the enduring power of myth. Its lessons, embedded in our cultural consciousness, continue to provoke thought and inspire change. In today's world, where the line between myth and reality often blurs, Atlantis challenges us to discern truth from fiction. It beckons us to explore the depths of our own potential for destruction and renewal. The enduring allure of Atlantis lies in its universal themes: power, consequence, and redemption. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, this ancient allegory offers timeless wisdom and guidance. From the sands of Egypt to the shores of the New World, the legend of Atlantis has sparked imaginations across cultures. This universal appeal underscores its profound impact on our collective psyche. Atlantis challenges us to confront the complexities of power and morality. As we explore this ancient narrative, we find a rich tapestry of lessons woven into our own historical and cultural fabric. Plato's Atlantis is more than myth. It's a philosophical exploration of human nature and society. As we reflect on its messages, we are challenged to envision a future defined by wisdom, not hubris. In the end, Atlantis remains a symbol of potential and peril. As we navigate our modern world, let us heed its lessons, striving for a balance between ambition and humility, ensuring that the story of our civilization is one of enduring wisdom and sustainable legacy.